And now we'll be solving second sum from exercise 5e. The sum says three circles with centers A, B, C. Now there is a circle which there are three circles which touch externally each other at the point A, B, C. Okay. The radius of circle with center A is x centimeter. Now this is A. So radius will be from here to here and here to here, from center of the circle to the end of the circle, right? So this will be x, this will also be x. Next, radius of circle with center B has radius 6 centimeter. So this, from here to here it will be 6 centimeter, and again from here to here it will be 6 centimeter, right? And with center C has radius 20 centimeter. So this, from here to here will be 20 centimeter, and from here to here it will be 20 centimeter. If angle BAC, now angle BAC is equal to 90 degree, so this is 90 degree, frame an equation of in x and solve for it. So let's frame the equation. First of all, let's find the value. AB will be what? AB is equal to x plus 6, right? Then AC is equal to 20 plus x, or x plus 20, and BC is equal to 20 plus 6, that is 26. Now here this is given as 90 degree. So according to Pythagoras theorem, this will be hypotenuse BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. So now we will form an equation and solve for x. So let's write angle BAC this is given, right? Therefore according to Pythagoras theorem, what we'll write is BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. Now we will substitute the values, where BC we found it as 26, AC x plus 20, and AB as x plus 6. So let's substitute the values. BC is 26, AB is x plus 6 the whole square, and AC is x plus 20 the whole square. Now let's solve. According to 26 square, this will be 676. This becomes a square plus b square plus 2ab plus b square. So 2 into a into b plus b square, plus again a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square, that is 400. 20 square is 400. 6 2 is 12x plus 36. 22 is 40x. Now we will shift all the terms at one side. Now here we will shift the terms. First we will solve. X square plus x square becomes 2x square. This becomes 52x, and here it becomes 436. 436. Now let's shift the terms. This becomes minus 2x square minus 52x plus 676 minus 436 equal to 0. So this becomes, when we minus this, it becomes 240. Right. Now to get rid of this minus sign, we are going to multiply this by minus 1. So let's do that. So this becomes x square minus this becomes 2x square, minus will become plus, minus will become plus, plus will become minus. Now we can see that we can divide these equations by 2. So this becomes x square plus 2 ones are, this is 52x, sorry. This becomes 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 26x. When we divide this by 2. So now we will find factors for minus 20 such that answer is 26. So if we do minus 30, if we do plus 30 minus 4, plus into minus becomes minus, plus minus, minus will be there and sign of bigger number. So the factors will be so either x plus 30 equal to 0 or x minus 4 equal to 0. So x will be minus 30, which is negligible, or x is equal to 4. This is there. So radii with center A is x, right? So what are the values? Answer what will be AB? AB will be x plus 6, that is 4 plus 6 equal to 10 centimeter, and AC is x plus 20, that is 4 plus 20 equal to 24 centimeter.